Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is all about the review of the newly launched dotnkeyglossbosslipbalms lip balms. So let's get started. So these are the newly launched dotnkeyglossbosslipbalms lip balms, and the brand is very kind enough to send me over her entire range, which contains a total 4 shades of this amazing lip balms. So each of these lip balms comes in this kind of outer cardboard box, very pretty colorful color coded cardboard box on which you get the shade name as well, and the lip balms look something like this. The packaging is super travel friendly, comes in tube packaging with a color coded cap. These lip balms are priced at rupees 249 each, and you're getting 12 grams of product. It comes in this kind of squeeze out tube packaging, and these lip balms are enriched with vitamin C and E with SPF 30, so it's gonna nourish your lips at the same time protect your lips. So the formulation is something which I absolutely love because it's a highly pigmented lip balms which are going to give you the finish of lip glosses. So for the application of the product, I'm going to use a shade called Strawberry Crush, and you can see the pigmentation is amazing, guys. So these lip balms are having amazing color payoff, and if you have pigmented lips, it's gonna cover up your lips. You can directly apply the product from its own tube, or else you can squeeze out the product on your fingertips and then apply the product, and it's very easy to apply on the lips. And you can see these are lip balms, super duper hydrating, nourishing lip balms, but it gives you beautiful, like a glossy juicy finish on the lips. It works like your lip gloss, so you can use it on your bare face as well as with a full face of makeup. It transfers a lot, but I think it's quite long wearing compared to other lip balms. It's gonna stay up to 3 hours on your lips, but the nourishment that this product gives gonna be there on your lips throughout the entire day. And the darker shade of these lip balms gonna give you a little bit of tint on your lips. It leaves a little bit of stain on your lips, which I think looks so pretty, guys. I'm in love with this particular formulation. You can definitely give this one a shot. So coming to the swatches, the first shade that I'm going to swatch for you is the shade called Watermelon Rush. Now this is the prettiest pink lip balm that I have in my collection, so you can make out this is a beautiful, like a super duper peppy hot pink shade which is having that berry undertone, and it's gonna rock on all skin tones out there. And you can see the pigmentation, guys. If you have very pigmented lips, it's gonna cover up your lips. It's super hydrating, nourishing, juicy on the lips, and I think this is a shade that you can definitely wear with most of your makeup looks at the same time. You can wear it on your bare face and it will be looking amazing on your lips, guys. I'm in love with this particular shade. This is a shade which I think you can wear on an everyday basis to your college office if you want to add that peppy looking pink shade on your lips with that super nourishing juiciness to your lips. You can definitely give this one a shot, and this one actually smells like watermelons. The next shade that I'm going to show you is a shade called Mango Passion. Now this one is a clear balm, that is a clear lip balm, but it looks something like this. So once you apply it on the lips, it's gonna be there like your clear gloss. So the formulation, the consistency is thick, but it's not very thick. It's in between a very thick lip balm and a runny lip balm, so it's very easy to reapply as well. So you can see this is a clear lip balm, and it will be also working for all skin tones out there. If you want to use a clear balm, this is the shade that you can definitely check out. You can use this particular shade on top of your any lipstick as well if you want to add that glossy effect to your lipstick. And this one smells as a mangoes, guys. So I absolutely love each and every shade that this particular range has. The next shade is my favorite shade from this particular collection, which is the shade called Coco Mint, and this is a perfect nude lip balm that I have in my collection, guys. It's a beautiful, like a muted dusty pink color which has got strong brown undertone, and this one is, I think, the most opaque one out of all the shades that she has. So you can see it just applies so beautifully on the lips. It is a beautiful nude shade, guys, which I think will be working for all skin tones. It's exactly smells like chocolates, so you are gonna feel so good after the application of the product, and this particular shade is gonna look beautiful with your intense smoky eyes, or just on your bare face you can apply it, guys, because you can see the effect of this lip balms. So it's so beautiful, guys. These are lip balms, but it works like your lip gloss. So super juicy, super hydrating formulation, which will be there on your lips throughout the entire day. The pigment will fade off a little bit, but the nourishment will be there on your lips. The last shade that I'm going to swatch for you is a shade called Strawberry Crush. If you are searching for that perfect cherry lip balm, this is a shade that you can definitely check out. It's a complete cherry red color which has got a neutral undertone. All of these shades that I'm showing you are gonna work on all skin tones out there. The pigmentation is amazing. This one stains my lips a little more than the other shades, so you can definitely use it throughout the entire day and your lips will be looking definitely pretty, guys. I love how it actually looks. You can see the juiciness of the product, and this shade called Strawberry Crush actually smells like berries, like a complete juicy yummy mixture of all the berries out there. So beautiful shade. Highly recommend you guys to check this one out. It is so pretty. The formulation is something which I haven't tried out before. These are having unique formulation yet so comfortable to wear. So these are all the hand swatches. I'm going to put the links of all of these products down in the description box. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. We'll see you soon. Take care. Bye, guys.